Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel and to the first face showing video I've shown in a very long time. Yeah, it's just when I'm filming I'm always showing my hands, but there will be more of me showing my face in future videos. I do plan on start doing some lives on my own channel. I've done a couple so far on the Honeybee channel. Didn't show my face in those because same thing. I'm figuring out a million different things. I'm like juggling a million things. So anyway, this video is so that I can post this with my new website and explain what's been going on. I've been getting a lot of comments and emails and messages and questions about a whole bunch of things that are all directly related to just the massive amount of issues that have been going on the last week has been the like final straw. There have been issues going on and off the last year roughly. But yeah, I have been blogging for over 16 years now. I started back in 2006, which is a lifetime ago, and everything was all well and good up until this last year. There have been just a lot of like major issues that were getting resolved but were taking way longer than they used to ever, and it just kept like happening over and over again, like, and many times, and I was never able to find out what was going on. We were having to like log into Twitter to find out any info because it's just been bizarre. And then it all just kind of culminated in the last like week or so, wherever, like, it was like a dumpster fire. Just behind the scenes, we couldn't access our blogs, we couldn't post things weren't showing up, RSS feeds, all the things, like literally everything just went, and it's been nuts. And I've been in contact with Nicole Spohr. A bunch of you keep mentioning her. Yes, I'm aware. Her and I are in contact. She's in the exact same boat as me. She's been blogging as long as I have. I think she started hers in 2006 as well. So she knows exactly what I'm going through. Like, both of us are just like, we're two peas in a pod. So, and highly recommend if you're not already. I think most people who are subscribed to me are subscribed to Nicole Spohr's YouTube channel as well, because she's a fabulous card maker. So, we're in the same boat. We were like, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Like, all our content might still be, in a sense, felt like it was being held hostage because you couldn't access it. And it's like, so much, like your life and work. So, both of us made the decision to start from scratch. We've both switched over to WordPress. And it's baby steps. Like, you guys are going to just have to bear with me for the next, I don't know how long. I know a lot of you just watch the YouTube videos. Maybe I'll check the description box below my videos, but that's it. That's fine. It's totally great. There's also my social media. I have my Facebook and my Instagram, especially my Facebook. I know I like mention this a lot. My Facebook page is where it's at. I can kind of connect with everyone. And then the blog is the blog. The blog is nice because I can have all my posts and just, it's something that's mine. Like, YouTube isn't mine. Facebook isn't mine. You know what I mean? Like, I need a place to categorize things where I can, post the links and do all the things. So, on top of that, a lot of people contacting me about Follow It with my old blog, which is still there as of right now. I have an RSS feed on the sidebar. You can sign up and you will get an email when I post something new. And it stopped working over a year ago. Took me a long time to figure out what was going on. And I transferred everything to a new service. So the Follow It emails that you guys have been receiving, those are from me. I just exported everything and put it into a new service. So those are for me. I didn't sell anyone's emails. I did not do any, and I still won't. Like, anyone who contacts me or signs up for an email or whatever, and I have that email address or that contact info, I don't do anything with it. I will never sell people's info or give it to company or anything like that. Like, that's not how I operate at all. So I just wanted to make that super clear. So those follow it emails are for me. They are legit. It's legit. And all it is just so those that don't always check YouTube or social media or anything, it's like you get a little email and it's like new post. That's it. 'Cause yeah, YouTube is all over the place. You can subscribe. I would love it if you did. You can hit the little bell notification to get notified when there's a new video, but that thing, it sort of works. Honestly, the only thing, as of me posting this, the only thing I know that works to make sure you see more of my content and that more of my new stuff shows up for you is commenting and liking videos. The more you engage with the videos you like to watch, so whether you like, crafting videos, cooking videos, whatever it is, like whatever it is that you're interested in, the more you physically engage with it, not just watching helps, but for you to see things to pop up in your, main feed, it's when you engage with it. And then more, because then it's telling those robot overlords, it's like, oh, this person loves what they're seeing. So then it's like, we'll give you more of this similar thing. So that's pretty much the only way with YouTube. I think, but I don't know yet, because my new site, I did get my own domain. I have been meaning to do this for years. I actually got my own domain a few years ago, but we never implemented it because it's just another thing, But now it's amyrsavvy.com. I'm like fancy and official now. But this whole thing prompting me to like start from scratch, it's like, well, let's do it. Let's do what I've been wanting to do for years. And I think Nicole mentioned this too, like we were both in the same boat with that as well. Like already wanting to start a new site and knowing it was like needed to be done. This just cemented it and like forced our hand. So I have it set up in the sense of there's a domain and you can go to it and you'll see my new blog, but it's right now in the bare bones baby beginning stages. I'm slowly figuring things out and it's just going to continue to evolve over time. I created a couple basic little banners because I had to do all new ones because all my old stuff is gone. That had to do more with like a computer crash forever ago. I had mentioned that before. Like I lost a lot of graphics and yes, backing up things. Yes. I am now, and that's also what I'm doing. On top of just all the things, I'm also setting up some backups through other things, like through cloud storage and that, to start, backing things up, saving the things that I need, so that I'm not fully at the mercy of sites I don't own and tech that just loves to do its own thing, So all the things I'm working on, 5 bajillion different little things. So the blog will continue to evolve and we'll see where it goes. I have all kinds of plans, all kinds of things, but it's just baby stuff. And then I'm also, like I said, I'm going to do live videos here on YouTube. No timeline on that at the moment. I'm just, again, baby steps, slowly figuring it out. I've done a couple live streams now for the Honeybee channel. And that just kind of got my toes in the water, figuring it out, and then I'll just go from there. So we'll see on my own end where that goes, but that's the plan. And that's also on top of what I already do. Because I know for a lot of people, they're like, I don't have time for live streams. I don't like them. you know what I mean? Like, I get it. Not everything is for everyone. I totally get that. So this is on top of, I'm not going to take away what I already do. It would be different too if I was like a very scheduled person, like every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I do this, you know what I mean? And if I was like taking something away and replacing it with something that, you know, people didn't like, but I'm just flying by the seat of my pants. I don't follow a schedule. I can't. Just filming this video, I can't even explain how many times I've tried to film this and just everything went wrong. So those are my plans. I do appreciate you guys so much. There's just been a lot of just outpouring of support over this. Like, it has been unbelievably frustrating. Like I said, I'm in a much better mood now. Things are looking a lot more okay. I've, you know, figured out a little bit more, you know, made a little bit of progress. My old blog, things are working for the moment. I'm not 100% sure if it's like back to 100%, but everything is just kind of stable for the moment. So it's just like trying not to hold my breath. But yeah, it has been unbelievably stressful. Unless you have been in this like sort of thing, like facing the thought of losing 15 years plus of work and content and time and literal blood, sweat, and tears, it's unbelievable, the amount of stress. It is hard, but hopefully there'll be a way to salvage it. And at the very least, it gave me the kick in the pants I needed to do the things that have been just brewing on the back burner for years. So, gonna figure all these things out. Stay tuned and we'll see. I make zero promises about anything because I don't know what the rest of my day is going to bring, let alone tomorrow. And I still have a ton of, you know, like Christmas themed projects, you know, because I'm just at the beginning of my Christmas series. I've done 5 so far. So I got a bunch of that, you know, still to come. And who knows what all else. No idea. But new website, new live streaming, all kinds of things. We'll just see where it all goes. And I think that's it for now. I'm going to post this video like on my YouTube channel, but I'm also going to post it in my new little blog post that I'll have pinned to the new site. And then we'll just see. I need to keep like figuring it out, adding content, and just seeing how it all works and figuring it all out. It is a complete night and day difference from what I'm used to. So it's a lot. But as always, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. Thumbs upping, commenting, huge. It really does make a difference. I do read all the comments I get. I try to respond to as many as possible, that sort of thing. But I do read them and I appreciate them. And yeah, I always link to my socials. The biggest one is my Facebook page, Instagram. I have a love-hate relationship with Instagram, and that's pretty much the only places you guys are gonna find me, really. And then of course my shiny new website that is like 3 things right now. So we'll see where it all goes. I think that's all I needed to say directly about this. And yeah, I'm going to get back to, I have a new Christmas video to edit and a mess to clean up. Because yeah, I was live on Honeybee's channel last night. Yeah, that was last night. I still have a huge mess to clean up from that. It was fun. You guys can check it out. It's on their channel. And I have it linked on my Facebook page too. And I will see you guys very soon in the next video.